To set up a data usage limit on Realme GT7 Pro, first we'll need to open our settings. Navigate to mobile network right here, then go for data usage. Inside there's data usage limit, and you can change the start calculating data usage from, and you can choose a different day. Then there's the daily data usage limit and monthly data usage limit. You can enable any of them with the switch, and then edit the number of megabytes or gigabytes that you want to use. In this case, there's daily data usage, so let's say I want to use maximum of 1000 megabytes. Then we can change the behavior for what happens when we reach that data limit to send the alert only, or send alert and turn off mobile data automatically. Then when we hit done, our data usage limit is all set.